Okay guys, so I've just noticed that the camera's gone flat and I'm not sure how long ago that was. So quick update, all the hand controls are obviously on the bike now, indicators are all wired in mounted, and the wiring harness is all connected. This will go to the gauge cluster as will these two here. Plastics are all on from the front forward, and this is the part that I feel like you guys probably missed out on because it was the last bit I did. Got the fuel hose connected from the fuel tap to the carburetor. Throttle cable is now in place. Carburetor itself's now in place. Auto choke, oiler, and the oil feed line is all connected, as is the suspension. Airbox is now on as well, and some more of the electrics are done on this side. We've still got the rear of the bike to work on, and the only other thing is on this side we have the exhaust. It's a bit dark, but the exhaust is all mounted up to the bike now, as it should be. So guys, that's where we're at. A little update. The bike's starting to look more complete, more like a bike, so we'll carry on. Alright guys, so that has the wee Nifty 50 back together. You can see that the seat does look a bit ratty, but it's the only one that I've got around at the moment, and we're still missing some mirrors, but they are generic and I can get them from pretty much anywhere. But I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. The plastics aren't the best, and you can see that it's missing the lock from the rear for the seat release, but other than that, it's all complete and looks pretty good. So now for the nervous bit, we need to see if this thing is going to start and run. We'll see if I've done everything right. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, this will be a bit difficult one-handed, but we'll see how we go. So the first step is to turn the fuel tap on. Then we need to engage the rear brake, like so. Turn the key into the on position, and let's hope for the best. Alright, let's shut this down. That was a success. I don't want to run it for too long in the shed because I'll end up smoking myself out, but that's a success. So we have a running Nifty 50, and I am most definitely happy with that. It's not the prettiest one in the fleet, but it's complete, so I'm going to call that a win.